We hear all the time how stress has a negative effect on our health. That includes our brains. So let's reduce stress and boost our brain power with a morning smoothie. Just take your basic smoothie foundation, ice, milk or water, fruit, and add our top 5 brain-boosting ingredients: bone broth protein powder to reduce inflammation, sunflower lecithin for better memory, and omega DHA, coconut oil, and fixed focus for mental clarity, alertness, and concentration. Lower your stress and feed your brain. It's a smart way to start your day. Come see us at the shop.